Think about the last demo or presentation you watched. Lots of slides, maybe some text,
Right.
maybe even a few screenshots, but no matter how polished, it felt flat, right? I mean, completely flat.
Correct. Yeah. So now imagine instead, like right when you're walking through a flow, a video
Hmm.
plays, a crisp product walkthrough, a customer testimonial, or like even a short clip of you explaining something. Suddenly, it's not just a slide deck; it's alive.
Yeah, so I mean, mostly in like PowerPoint presentations or other things, it's not, there's no way you could have something which is live, right? Or which is animated or which has got some sort of what's that called? Sound, right? Or
Correct.
even effects for that, say, correct?
Correct. Yeah. And here's the magic part: like while your video plays, your DemoDazzle assistant can still speak and guide the audience, connecting the
Mhm.
dots, like highlighting the key points and making sure like nothing gets missed.
So how does it, I mean, like, is there an overlap? For example, if the video has some sound and if the dazzle avatar also speaks at the same time, uh, how do you manage it?
So we do have some customization options. So what I will do is like, because the assistant narrates alongside your video, that's what like makes it different. So I will do it. What I will do is I will just share my screen right now and show you
Sure,
that.
yeah, yeah, that will make more sense because we can keep on talking, but seeing is believing.
Okay. So right now, like is in our previous videos as well, we have created a couple of assistants. So what I will do right now is for one of our platform called Who's It, we have created this walkthrough, like how to set up
You
your
you
Who's
said
It
who's it,
account.
right? Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
it helps
Mhm.
in creating a simple like drag and drop portfolio or any kind of page where you can just drag and
Right.
drop elements
Uh-huh.
and then create a unique page. So here are some static slides like explaining how to sign up and then how to create your own page, add details, everything. So what I will do right now is I have a video of my website like scrolling and showing each part. So I will just what I will do is I will just click here and
Mhm.
I will do insert slide before. And now I have a pop-up, which I think you won't be able to see, but I will just add a who's it intro.
Mhm.
So now you can see that if I play, this is how the website looks
Oh,
like.
this is pretty cool.
Right. And now I have, you can see like there are three options here. So now I will explain what these options are. Like
Sure.
repeat video until the speech ends. So for example, if we add something here like hello and welcome to who's it,
Hmm.
and let's say our speech also includes like you can create a unique page for yourself
Hmm.
by just dragging and dropping elements. No need to learn coding. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
just make I will just make some corrections and I think that's enough. So let's say the script is even like longer than this and I want that video should not stop. Instead, it should just replay again and again until the speech ends. So I will
Hmm.
just do this, like repeat video
Okay.
until the speech ends. So in that case, the video will be continuously playing until the assistant is speaking.
All
And
right.
the other one is the mute video. Like let's say if we need the assistant explanation only and we don't need the music or whatever is being said in the video, we can just
Hmm.
do mute video. And then
Okay.
there is continue to next slide when the video completes. So this is just opposite of what it was in the first part. For example, if we have a very short script, let's say just hello, welcome to who's it, but the video has a lot of explanation. So what we
Hmm.
can do is we can check this. In this case, what will happen is that until the video, like when the video will complete, only then it will move to the next slide instead
All
of
right.
just after the speech ends. So for now, I have done all three, like repeat the video. Since our script is short, we can just leave this and
Hmm.
instead mute video is fine and continue to next slide when the video completes. So it will wait for the website to like completely scroll till the bottom
Okay.
and then it will move to the next slide. All right.
All
So
right.
let's just make sure that the script does not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we can go ahead with this. So now I will just click on done. Now let's just wait for it to prepare.
Sure. So there are three options, right? I mean,
Right.
while the video is getting prepared, I mean, the first one is what was the first one? Sorry.
The first one is to repeat, like it will just loop the video
Oh, loop
until
the
the
video.
speech ends.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And then there's the other one was the mute video, like in
Okay.
case you don't want the audio in the mute video to be played during the session, so you can do that. And the
All
third
right.
one is that it should, like, the video should be completed first before it moves to the next slide.
Perfect.
All right.
Perfect. Sounds good.
So
Yes.
now let's see the preview.
Okay.
Hi there. I'm Hoozy, your friendly AI assistant. I'm here to walk you through everything you need to know about
So you
Woozit.in
updated the
and help
same
you
video,
craft
right?
your
Same
perfect
walkthrough.
Right.
personal bio page. Hello, welcome to Woozit.
And
You
the
can
video
create
is
a
like,
unique page for yourself
Very
by
good.
just dragging and dropping elements. No need to learn coding.
so now it's just waiting for the video to end, and only
Hmm.
then it will move to the next slide.
Open the
Good.
website Woozit.in, who is it in, and click on Get Started.
Very good.
Enter the required details to sign up.
So instead of
If you already have an account, click on Login.
Yeah,
yeah,
please
so
go ahead.
instead of breaking the flow by jumping to YouTube or pasting links, your videos are fully built into the demo, right? Or
Right.
even training sessions. The audience never leaves the experience. Correct?
Right. Yeah. And it works for everyone, like a
Hmm.
startup pitching with mix of slides, avatars, and a video, like even internal training where the instruction needs to be clear, or even a product demo where you need to showcase the product in a video format. So it works for all the cases.
Great. The best part, according to me, is it's effortless. Drop your
Right.
video into your demo flow
Yes.
and let the assistant handle the rest.
Right. And because DemoDazzle tracks the watch time, repeat views, and feedback, you know like exactly how your video lands with your audience.
Great. So forget static slides. With
Yeah.
DemoDazzle, your presentations now combine slides plus avatars plus videos plus guided speech. What next, Anvik?
Right. So like correct. So what next is like we will be making a next video on roles features. So you will understand like how you can use a single assistant, but for all sort of roles in your organization. Let's say you can create a different sessions for managers, different for employees, and different for your customers.
Great.
That's the
Looking
future.
forward to
Isn't
it.
just about showing screens. It's about creating experiences that people remember.
I agree 100%. I agree. All
Thank you
right.
very much.
Thank you.